everybody. Thank you for joining me today on The Creative Life with Kendra. If you've been following my blog or my Instagram for a while, you know that I love going to our farmers market. And since we live in South Florida, our farmers market is open year round. And today we usually go on Fridays or Saturdays or Sundays because that's the only time it's really the only days that they're open. But I like going Fridays because it's not as busy and the fruits and vegetables aren't as picked over. And usually when I go, I always find something new or something different to try out each week. And this week I found these. The reason I was interested in these, and these are actually called bitter melon. The reason I was interested in these is because I've seen these grown locally on the farms. They grow on vines and I never knew what they were. And so one of the ladies who actually runs one of the stands, she was selling these and I asked her what they were. And she did tell me that they're bitter melon. She said that they're good for diabetic patients, for high blood pressure, for treating cancer, and a host of other elements. And so I decided my husband, he wants to try it, and she explained to us that they're actually very bitter. And I Googled it, and every single thing I've read about it is that they're one of the most bitterest fruit of this particular fruit family. And so we're going to go ahead. This is going to be my first time cutting this open. I'm not sure what it looks like on the inside. I don't know how it's going to taste, but along with my husband, I am going to taste it. And I'm not sure if I want to taste it, but bitter foods usually don't bother me. But we're going to go ahead and get started, and we're going to see what it looks like once it's cut open. And so she told me to cut off the ends, or each end. And I don't know if it has a smell or not. This is my first time. Like I said, this is my first time cutting one open and trying it out. It doesn't really have a smell. This is what the inside looks like. It doesn't really have a smell to it. It just smells like, you know how fresh green beans smell? That's all it really smells like. And these are pre-washed. I already washed these off camera, so I'm not cutting dirty dirty vegetables or dirty fruit. Oh, and all the seeds are on the inside. And so we're going to set this aside. We're going to do the same thing, get the stems out of the way. We're going to do the same thing. I only bought 2, like I said, because I'm not really sure what to do with these besides boil them the way she told me to. And I didn't want to buy too many because I didn't want to waste my money on something that I'm going to have a bad reaction to, or that's just really not going to be beneficial for me. But hey, I don't mind trying anything once or twice. Who knows? So the insides. And then next we are going to, let's set this knife aside. We're going to scoop the insides out. Oh, they actually come out pretty easily. I thought it was going to be pretty hard to get them out, but no, it's very soft. Let me see if I can get a seed that I didn't. Well, this one's actually cut open a little. But those are the seeds. I'm going to set all this aside. If you hear extra rattling, I have all my farmer's market bags, all my fruits and vegetables that I bought right up here on the counter with me. And I just wanted to film this for you guys because I was so excited about trying this out. Especially, I've read that it had some properties that help with liver. And earlier this year, I got diagnosed with non-alcoholic liver disease. And I didn't know it was a thing until they actually diagnosed me with it. And so I've been trying different home remedies to help me out, to cleanse my liver and everything else. And I went back for my blood work a couple weeks ago, and she said my enzymes are perfectly fine. And I did not take any medication at all for it. Because of course there's, everything I've read, there's really no cure, but I think I was able to get my enzymes back to a normal level with my dandelion root tea and all the other home remedies that I've been reading about and trying out. So hopefully this is going to be one that'll help keep my enzymes low, because it's going to be something I'll have to live with for the rest of my life. We finally finished making the bitter melon tea. We took a bite of the vegetable itself, or the fruit itself, and to me it didn't taste that bitter. He said it tasted really bitter to him, but we're gonna go ahead and it didn't taste that bad to me. But we're gonna try this out now. First reaction. If we weren't on camera, I'd spit it back in my cup.
Wow.
Okay, well, that's it. Hopefully the health benefits are better than the way it tastes, because it takes a lot to choke down. So don't, okay, I don't care. So thank you for joining us on The Creative Life with Kendra and Bobby. He's joining us today. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Cheers.
Cheers. That was disgusting.